watching from the wall.
Oh, heck, I kinda like it up here.
Hey fellas, the show's about to start. I can't wait to see it again.
And for the rest of the day, the songs will be stuck in my head.
Where else would they get stuck? We don't have bodies.
Looks like the game's just about ready. So now's the time we remind you there's no eating,
Drinking?
Or smoking allowed in the theater.
and you can take all the photos and video you'd like. Just please, no flash photography or video lighting. We've already got Rufus on spotlight.
Do we?
Ready to start? Give us a little intro there, Gomer. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original country band musical Jamboree, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled old grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. So get those paws tapping and those claws clapping for five bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the Five Bear Runners. Hit it, boys! It's a country band musical jamboree. We slapping toes after Jubilee.
No time to even hibernate.
After all our years together, I can still carry the weight for a country band musical jamboree. Settle in, bring all your friends. We got some fancy prancing and some fair square dancing.
Most fun I had since I crawled out of the den.
It's our country band musical jamboree. And now, sweeter than a hive full of honey, it's our very own Trixie and the talented trio, Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah. Or is it Beulah, Bunny, and Bubbles? Well, any way you count it, they're triple the fun. Okay, boys, now why don't we try something a little different? How about a love song, right?
Have you seen her? Sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You only kiss the girl. Everybody
there's plenty of fish in the sea.
Fish, you're making me hungry.
Not me, I'm stuffed.
Okay now, our next performer used to play with the Mineral Kings, but he's here now. A furry firestorm of fiddling Floridian fury. Take it away, Ernest.
He's on fire today.
Yeah, he's really burning through a fiddle budget. Can't believe we have a fiddle budget.
Oh, it sounds super cute. Where'd he come from?
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under. Honey, magic, carpet ride, a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear that now I'm in a whole new world with you. Y'all swing by and see me sometime.
I would, but I'm scared of heights.
I'm scared of swings.
Oh, you know, it might surprise you to learn that our next performer is still an eligible bachelor.
Is it the clumpy way he walks?
Or the grumpy way he talks.
Or the pear-shaped, square-shaped weirdness of his feet.
And though we know he washes well,
He always ends up sort of smelly.
But you'll never be a fella who's insensitivity. Everyone's been a fixer-upper, that's what it's all about. Raise yourself and round the top. Everyone's been a fixer-upper when push comes to shove. The only fixer-upper that'll fixer-upper is true. Love. Remember me. Oh, I had to say goodbye. Remember me. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad. I can't go home.
Poor guy.
Poor curtains.
Well, folks, I'd say that's a rendition we'll remember for a long time. Now, how about we do one of my favorites? You've got a friend in me. I say, you've got problems. There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you've got a friend in me. You've got a friend in me.
Henry, why don't we invite all our friends out there to join us for the finale?
Great idea, Sammy. Hey, gang, hit it! concludes our show. As you can see, we're still barely keeping it together. Now gather up all your bare necessities and exit out the doors on your right. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back, yeah?